In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate, edit, and resend a document efficiently. Whether you're managing important paperwork or simply need to make a few updates to a sent document, following these steps will streamline your process and ensure you maintain professional communication with your recipients. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to locate the document you want to work on. Start by heading over to the Documents section of your platform. This is where all the magic happens. Whether you're overwhelmed with a plethora of files or just looking for that one elusive document, don't worry. You can either search for the particular document by name using the search bar or filter the list by selecting Sent Documents. This feature lets you narrow down your options, making it a breeze to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've pinpointed the document you need, it's time to move on to the editing phase. Simply click on the document to select it. This will open up a variety of options. Look for the Actions menu, a tab filled with potential tasks you can perform. From those, choose Edit Document. At this point, you might be prompted to confirm that, indeed, you'd like to edit the document. This step is mainly to ensure that you don't accidentally make changes to important files without intending to. Confirm the action, and you're ready for the next phase. Now, you're in the editor, where you can make all necessary changes to your document. Whether it's correcting typos, updating figures, or rephrasing sections for clarity, this is your opportunity to polish the document to your satisfaction. Take your time here to ensure accuracy and precision, as the quality of this document reflects on your professionalism. After wrapping up your edits, the final step is to resend the document. So, how do you do that? Look for the Send button, usually located in an accessible spot. Click on Send and then select the option to Send via email. By doing so, you trigger a process to reroute the document back to your original recipients. Not only will they receive the updated document, but a fresh notification email will also accompany it, alerting them to the changes. This seamless process ensures that everyone stays informed and up to date with the most current information, reducing the risk of outdated data circulating. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward guide to managing and updating your documents. Whether you're dealing with contracts, reports, or any other critical paperwork, these steps will help you keep everything in order and running smoothly. I hope you found this guide useful. And don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.